Hello and welcome once again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing great. Today's recipe is a sweet pastry prepared in a simple way. We need half a liter of milk and 1 sachet of vanilla. We also need 100 grams of fine semolina, about 1 cup not full. We add 60 grams of sugar, or up to 100 grams since we use honey. I used only 50 grams, and we also need 150 grams of ground almonds. The almonds are finely ground with some grated lemon zest. We also add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flour, and ground rice. Here I have 100 grams of raisins and half a kilo of small pastry sheets. To begin, we pour the milk into a saucepan. We add the vanilla and lemon zest and bring the milk to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we set it aside. We add the almonds and the semolina to the mixture. Then we add the sugar and the tablespoon of flour. Next, we add the ground rice and the 2 eggs. We mix all the ingredients very well. The milk has reached a boil. We turn off the heat and pour the milk over the mixture. We mix everything thoroughly. We continue mixing until the mixture is smooth. We return the mixture to the saucepan and place it over heat. Once it thickens, we add 100 grams of raisins. We keep stirring until the mixture thickens well. The filling is thick and ready, and we keep stirring briefly. This prevents it from sticking or burning. Once cooked, we turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. We then use the filling to stuff the pastry sheets. The filling should be warm, not completely cold. We trim the edges of the pastry if one side is thick. This pastry is thin and good on all sides. We place the pastry sheet with the rough side facing up. We add 1 large spoon of the filling. We start folding the pastry like this. We roll it until it is well sealed. The sealed side should always be at the bottom. This explanation is for beginners. Experienced cooks know the steps. We repeat the same process until all are done. Once the oil is hot, we start frying. We always place the sealed side down in the oil. The pastries are cooked, so we remove them and dip them in honey. If you don't have enough honey, that is fine. You can simply drizzle a few light lines on top. If the pastry sheets were kept in the fridge, here is a tip. Seal them with flour or egg white so they don't open. If they are fresh and soft, no sealing is needed. We continue the same steps until everything is finished. Here is the final result after frying. If honey is limited, decorate with a light drizzle. Garnish with crushed almonds or pistachios as you like. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss new recipes. Let us open one so you can see how good the filling looks. Try this method. You will really enjoy it. See you in the next video.